Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can retouch your face on CapCut PC. So her face is already beautiful and flawless. I don't think it needs any more retouch, and I'm sure yours are too, but this is just a tutorial on how to do it if you'd like to. I use it sometimes when my face doesn't look the best, but you're going to go to the retouch section. Go to the face one, enable skin. Maybe you want it to be a little bit smoother. Maybe you want to remove smile lines or even remove like dark circles under your eyes. And you can here adjust the skin tone too. And you can even adjust your face. Maybe you want your face to be smaller, slimmer. You want to adjust the jaw, the shape, and stuff like that. And you can even add in makeup here, as you can see. You're just going to tick on it, and you can add like makeup to your videos here. If you don't want to add a full-on makeup, you can just add like maybe like a blush here, a blush color. You can even add in like contour if you'd like to. And yeah, that is pretty much it. You can add in freckles. It's a little bit hard to see because like I'm not really zoomed in on her face. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.